Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? Hope you're fine. Welcome to my kitchen by Nana. So today we are making beef and green bananas. It's a one pot meal and you're going to love it. One of my subscribers recently requested for this recipe and it is detailed, and I used very simple ingredients that you can get in the grocery store or in an open market. Very simple recipes. And this is meat. It's beef, and I used 500 grams because the meal is for like 3 people only. 500 grams of meat. For the fresh ingredients, I used carrots, onions, green peppers, and tomatoes. And I'll also be sharing with you the dry ingredients as I put them in the pan. So I've just put all of them at once, minus the tomatoes. I'm going to fry them shortly until the onions start losing color. For the tomatoes, I used 2 large tomatoes, chopped them finely and just added them to the pan. And then I'm going to just continue frying them until they become tender. I love one pot meals because you get to cook everything in the same pan and it always comes out so flavored and saves time as well. You can have this for lunch, you can have it for breakfast or dinner. So I'm adding in some salt to taste, and then I'm going to add in the rest of the dry ingredients, that is 1 beef cube and mixed curry powder and also some turmeric. Yeah, that's all. And to be specific, I'm going to first cook the meat. I need it ready before I add in the green bananas. That is why I'm adding in the water, because I need it to first cook. Then we proceed with the rest of the recipe. So in case you're looking for different beef recipes, I'm going to put a link down below in the description box because I have several of them on my channel. Now that the meat is ready, I'm adding in the bananas and I'm just going to mix it up all together, and then I'll let them boil together with the meat until they are cooked. So just mix them like you see what I've done, and then add in more water. It has to be like on the same level of the bananas, because if it's too much, they may come out mashed if you overcook them. So you have to limit the level of water. So the water has reduced and the bananas are actually ready. So I'm just going to serve it, and this is how it looks. And it came out very tasty and delicious. Thank you guys for watching.